Filtering data by attribute within Esri's Business Analyst. Here, I'm going to add a spreadsheet of a couple of locations for a sandwich shop in South Florida. I'm going to import the data points, and I'm going to create the study areas based on the point locations, and I'm going to create analysis areas around them based on a 5-minute drive time. When I do so, you can see those analysis areas on the map. The other thing that's happening right now is the data that is in the spreadsheet, not only the name, address, city, state, and zip code, but also some corresponding data points that I had included in my spreadsheet are being added to the map. The data fields are what are called attributes. Attributes are filterable once the layer has been created. Here, if I go into my project data, I can see my locations and the option to filter by attributes. If I know that I want to see the locations on the map that have a specific rent price, for example, above $51 a foot, you'll see that I can change the attribute table to only show the areas that meet the criteria. This is a great exercise for filtering business data that you might have in other locations. You can bring it into the map and help tell the story that you're trying to tell.